Wait, we're still giving the light. That lady shouldn't do that. She's not. Watch out, watch out. She's not looking. She's not looking. She's not looking. She just ran around. We'll look out. You might get the arrow eventually. I'm assuming it's after these guys. So once the arrow for these guys turns off, because it's a contradicting, you can't just have.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. Oh, okay, that was close. Speaking of yield. Drop your speed. It's you and that car in front of you. That car's not supposed to yield. He's a Maryland driver. Look at this. It's a red light. He's red light running.
Oh my god.
He's doing a red light run. Maryland drivers. Jesus, man. I save that clip. It's not long. Oh, hello. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, you tried to go into our lane. What a stupid driver. You have a Tesla. You can literally just program it to turn for you. Jesus. This really wants to go that part. Results going on there now. COVID results. She has some COVID results he has to take care of. Alright, Maryland driver, dang, we get it.
Dang,
From Maryland.
Rob, what are you... Why is he so...
He's from Maryland. We can't determine.
What the heck? You're in the middle.
I give him a thumbs up.
I love how the light...